Good morning, students. Our subject is Design of Concrete Structure 1. Our topic is Design of Column by Working Stress Method. In last lecture, part 3, we solved numerical of analysis of axially loaded column. In this lecture, we have to design column axially loaded column. So, here example. Calculate the area of steel required for RC column. Means we have to find here ASC. What they told us, calculate the area of steel required for RC column. Column 350 mm and 450 mm in cross section. Means B and D is given here. B and D. B is equals to 350 and D is 450 mm. In a cross section to carry axial load 1000 kilonewton. Means here P is given 1000. So assume a grade of concrete M20 and steel Fe415. So solution, here given data, B is 350 and D is 450. P load is given 1000 and grade is given, concrete grade is M20 and Fe415. So use IS 456 2000, IS code 456 2000, table number 21. For this our grade of concrete is M20. So for M20 direct stress in sigma cc is here 5. So use sigma cc is 5 and Fe415. The grade of concrete is M20. So for M20 we take a direct stress is 5 and for steel our grade of steel is Fe415. So for Fe415 here compression in column bars, here sigma SC is given. So for Fe415 the value is 190. So we take here sigma SC is 190 Newton per mm square. Okay. Now first step is area of concrete. We have to find here area of concrete. But before that, to find the area of concrete, we have to find AG, means total cross section area. Total cross section area is B into D. So B into D is 350 into 450. So AG is total cross section area is 157,500 mm square. Now we have to calculate here calculation of safe load carried by column. P is given 1000 into 10 to the power 3. So 1000 Newton into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Sigma Cc is given 5. ASC ASC means total AG is equals to AC plus ASC. So if we have to find AC is equals to AG minus AS is equals to AC. We having the value of AG. So put here the value of AG is 157,500 minus ASC. So we got AC here. So plus sigma SC is 190 for Fe415 grade direct stress in bar column is 190. So and ASC we have to find here ASC. So by solving this equation we got here ASC is 1148.65 mm square. In introductory part we assume that the diameter of column is greater than 12. Assume. So here we assume the diameter of bar is 18 mm. So how we have to find the number of bars? To formula to calculate the number of bars is ASC divided by pi by 4 into D square. So what is formula to calculate number of bar is ASC divided by pi by 4 into D square. We assume here D is 18 mm. We know pi by 4 answer and ASC also we calculated. So ASC is 1148.65 divided by pi value is 3.14 by 4 into diameter of bar is 18 square. So 4.51 number, but how we provide 4.51 number? So we assume here 6 numbers. In any time assume only even number, don't assume odd number, because we put easily assume even number like this: 1 2 3 4, these two corner 5 and 6 like this. So we required a even number, so provide here 6 bars of diameter is 18 mm, so 18 mm in longitudinal reinforcement. Okay, so here we calculated the bars is 6 and diameter is 18 mm. So ASC we already calculated. Now we have to design of lateral ties. So first step, design of lateral ties is diameter of lateral ties. We have to find here diameter. What is lateral ties? Here we calculated, it is called as a here column, it's a cover, this is a longitudinal bar, this is longitudinal bar. After that to constantly here tie this longitudinal bar, we have to provided here ties. This is called as a ties. So diameter of lateral ties is 1/4 into largest diameter of longitudinal bar. So assume largest diameter is 16, so 1/4 into 16 is 6 mm. So spacing here, the answer is 4, but diameter of lateral ties we have to consider between these two, 4 or 6. 6 is greater, so for that we take a diameter of lateral ties is 6, because IS code 456 told that take between these two which is greater. So between 4 and 6 which is greater? 6 is greater, so we take diameter of lateral ties is 6 mm. Okay, now we have to calculate the spacing. So least lateral dimension, the lateral dimension of our column is 350 mm. Here dimension is given 350 by 450 mm, so 350 is smaller than 450, so we take here 350 mm. 350 mm. Now second, this is the first point. Second point is S is equals to 16 into smallest diameter of longitudinal bar. Here 16 into 16 is 256 mm. So yes, and third is consider 300 mm. Use whichever is less. From this 300, 256 and 350. From these three, use whichever is less. So 256 is less. So provide a 6 mm diameter. Here we calculate 6 mm diameter of ties and the spacing is 256, but consider here 250. So 250 is small. Consider between these three, use whichever is less. Okay, so we calculated all these things. Here the spacing, diameter of lateral ties, what is the longitudinal ties diameter, and area of concrete. Okay, now another example, design of reinforcement in a column. Also we have to find here ASC. B and D is given here 450 mm by 600 mm. So here depth is 600 mm and width is 450 mm. So subject an axial load of 2000 kilonewton. P is given here. P is 2000 kilonewton. Due to dead load and live load, the column has an unsupported length of 3 meter. Unsupported length is given here 3 meter and is restrained in both direction. Use M20 and Fe415 grade materials. In this numerical, given data is B given, width of column 450 mm, depth of column 600 mm, P is given 2000 kilonewton, grade of concrete is given M20. So here table number 21 for M20, the direct stress is 5, so use 5, and Fe415 we use here. So for column the value is 190, so use here 190, sigma S use 190. Here the column has an unsupported length of 3 meter. So for 3 meter, here effective length is the condition is like this. It is not a fully fixed, it's also restrained by both ends, so like this, and this distance is 0.65 L. So take it 0.65 into L. 0.65 L is 3000 mm. So L effective is 1950.00 mm. Now we have to find here type of column, means column is short column or long column. If the ratio of L effective by least dimension is greater than 12, then it is called as a long column. If the ratio is smaller than 12, then it is called as a short column. Okay, so slenderness ratio L effective divided by least dimension. So 1950, here 450 by 600, whichever is less, 450 is less, so use least dimension 450. 1950 divided by 450, the ratio answer is 4.33, is smaller than 12, so the column may be designed as a short column because slenderness ratio is smaller than 12. Now we have to check here minimum eccentricity. To calculate minimum eccentricity, here refer clause number 25.4, IS code is 456-2000, page number 42. So here all column should be for minimum eccentricity. So here some value is given, Lx divided by 500 plus D divided by 30, or E minimum Ly divided by 500, use whichever is more. So to calculate minimum eccentricity, Ex minimum Lx by 500 plus D by 30. So Lx means length is given 3000. So here length is 3 meters. So in mm is 3000. So 3000 divided by 500 plus D. D is our column dimension is 450 by 600. So D is 600. So 600 divided by 30. The answer is 26 mm. Which is greater than 20 mm. Whichever is more use. So E maximum answer is 0.05 D. D is 600. So 0.05 into 600 is 30 mm. Okay. So Ex minimum is smaller than E maximum. Okay, now we have to calculate here Ey minimum, means here Ex means we find here eccentricity in x direction, we have to calculate here eccentricity in y direction. So in x direction take D and y direction take a B. So 3000 divided by 500 plus 450, the value of width is 450 divided by 30, the answer is 20 mm, is also greater than 20. So and for maximum take a 0.05 B. B is 450, so the answer is 22.5, is also greater than 20. Okay, so now calculation of longitudinal reinforcement. So we have to find here the bar of the diameter of longitudinal reinforcement and lateral ties we have to calculate here. So to calculation of longitudinal reinforcement, firstly the formula is P is equals to sigma cc into ASC plus sigma SC into ASC. P is already given, 2000 into 10 to the power 3 is equals to AC is sigma cc is 5. AC means area of concrete. So area of concrete, how we calculated? AG minus ASC. Here AG minus ASC. So AG is the gross diameter of column is 450 by 600 minus ASC plus the sigma SC is 190. From table number 22, we calculated for Fe415 the value of sigma SC is 190. Into we have to find here ASC. So ASC is 3513.51. SC is calculated. So now assume diameter of bar 22 mm. The diameter of bar assume is greater than 12. So number of bar required. The formula to calculate number of bar, that is ASC divided by pi by 4 into d square. D we assume here 22. ASC is here in step number 3 we calculated ASC is 3513.51. Pi value is 3.14 divided by 4. The assume here diameter 22. So the answer of this is 9.24. Assume even number. After 9.24 the even number is 20. So take a provided 10 bars of 22 mm diameter longitudinal reinforcement. Okay. So now after that we have to find here design of lateral ties. Means it is called as a ties. We have to find here this ties diameter and spacing. So first step to calculate lateral ties. Diameter of lateral ties is equals to 1 by 4 largest diameter of longitudinal bar. So 1 by 4 into 22. So 1 by 4 into 22 diameter of longitudinal bar. Here we assume diameter of longitudinal bar is 22. So 1 by 4 into 22, the value is some point. So assume here 6 mm. Here some value is given in 5 point something. So 6 is greater than 5 point. So take whichever is great more. So 6 mm is used. The diameter of lateral ties is 6 mm. Now we have to calculate lateral tie spacing. The first is least lateral dimension. Least lateral dimension is 450. Our column dimension is 450 by 600. In 450 by 600 we least dimension is 450. So take a 450. Now second spacing equation is 16 into smallest diameter of longitudinal bar. So 16 into 22, the answer is 352 mm. And third consider here 300 mm. So from this 450, 352 and 300, use whichever is less. So which is less? 300 mm is less. So provide here diameter of lateral ties is 6 mm of ties, and consider 300 mm center to center spacing. So this diameter is 22. Here lateral ties is 6 mm diameter, and here spacing between these ties is 300 mm. Okay. So here we have to find another example of design of reinforcement. Design of reinforcement in a spiral column. Means a spiral column is circular column. Like this spacing we have to provide here. Bar ties we have to provide here. This is called as a spiral. So design of reinforcement in a spiral column of 450 mm diameter. The diameter of column is, the column is circular, so diameter of this column is 450. Diameter is 450, subjected to service load of 12,000 kilonewtons. So P is 1200 kilonewton. The column has an unsupported length is 3.4 meter. Use M25 and Fe415. Okay, so solution. D, diameter of column is given 450 mm. Sigma cc means permissible stresses in concrete is 6. So how we take a permissible stresses here? For M25 this value is sigma c is 6, and sigma sc is 190. So here take sigma cc is 6 because 25. So from table number 21, IS 456 2000, sigma cc is 6 Newton per mm square, and Fe 415, the value is 190 Newton per mm square, and P is given 1200 kilonewton. So L is given here 3.4 meter. Here condition not given, so assume effective length is given. So L effective consider 3.40 meter, means 3400 mm. So first step, here we have to find the type of column, means long column or short column. Slenderness ratio is greater than 12, then it is called as a long column, and if slenderness ratio is smaller than 12, then it is called as a short column. So L effective divided by least lateral dimension. Here only one diameter is given, so consider here diameter 450. If width and depth both are given, then take least, but if only diameter is given, then take it only diameter. So L effective is 3400, 3400 divided by 450, the answer is 7.56, is smaller than 12. So assume here short column. Second, check for minimum eccentricity. We have to calculate here eccentricity. The eccentricity value is greater than 20, then it is okay. Ex in x direction, Lx divided by 500 plus d divided by 30. So Lx is 3400 divided by 500 plus diameter of column is 450. So take it divided by 30. The answer is 21 mm. Is greater than 20. So use whichever is more. And second, E maximum is equals to 0.05 d is equals to 0.05 into 450. D is 450. So the answer is 22.5 mm. Ex minimum is smaller than Ex maximum. Here x and y only dimension is given. So in y direction also Ey minimum is 21 and E maximum is 22.5. Third step, we have to find here P, the calculation of longitudinal reinforcement ASC for spiral column. 5% increases in a strength is allowed. Here we have to because the column is circular, and here we provided a spiral column. So for that this P load we multiplied 1.05. So P is equals to 1.05 into sigma cc into AC plus sigma SC into ASC. So P is given 1200 into 10 to the power 3 is equals to 1.05 in bracket. Sigma cc value is 6 because M25 grade is given of concrete. So AC means area of column. So area, how we calculated area? Pi by 4 into d square. So pi by 4, pi value is 3.4 divided by 4 into the diameter of column is 450. So 450 square minus ASC plus ASC is sigma SC is 190. For Fe 415 means steel grade, the value is sigma SC value is 190. So ASC we have to find here. ASC is 1024.99 mm square. So for that assume the diameter of bar is 18 mm. So here we have to find number of bar required. Here how many bars we have to put in this column? 4, 5 or 6. How many we have to put here? So for that number of bars required we have to find here. Formula is ASC divided by pi by 4 into d square. So ASC here we find 1024.99 divided by 3.14 into 18 square. So the answer is 6 mm. So 6 bars of 18 mm diameter longitudinal reinforcement we have to provide here. Next step, we have to find here design of lateral ties, means this is a longitudinal ties and this is a lateral ties. and this is a longitudinal bar. So first, diameter of lateral ties 1/4 into largest diameter of column. Here we take 16, so the answer is 4 mm, but 6 mm is greater, so we used here 6 mm. Next, here we have to find pitch of the spiral reinforcement. Pitch means spacing between these. In this column, the spacing is spiral, circular. So here we have to find pitch of the spiral reinforcement. So first is yes 75 mm, second is yes 16 into core diameter. So how we have to calculate core diameter? 16 into 450 is a diameter of column, minus 2 into 40, so 16.67 is yes. And third is take a 25 greater than 60, so use whichever is less. In this 60 is less, so provide a 6 mm diameter of spiral about a 6 mm center to center pitch. Okay, so here the spacing is 60 mm, diameter of the spiral is 6 mm, and longitudinal bar diameter is 18 mm. Okay, so in this lecture we calculated ASC, lateral ties in a rectangular column and circular column. So we design a column here. Anyone having doubt regarding today's lecture, you can put your questions in chat box.